Okay. So after countless hours and many many hours of suffering, um, our circuit finally works. Let's see what happened. Uh, it works with external batteries, so it doesn't need the computer anymore. Um, our main board, our feather board, can plays the right music, uh, and it plays the right um, lights for whatever force sensor is pressed. So here's one example. This one would play the purple light, and this one would play some cyan light. All the other ones play some varied light, but for the most part, it works. When it plays the light, it also plays some sound. I don't know if you can like bring it really close to the mic, but you want to try? No, okay.
That's how that works.
No, but yeah, it works. We just have two batteries. We have a 3 volt and 5 volt.
This is our drum set circuit.
Yeah, now we have to solder it off. Hello. This is Shirt Band. It's an obvious drum set. Right. So the basics of Shirt Band is that there are some force sensors on underneath the shirts, and whenever you press the force sensor, a cool sound plays from this beautiful little speaker, and some sound plays. So I'll play like a few sounds. Right. So, how does this work? Well, first and foremost, the entire like system uses an I think M0 Wi-Fi and a Featherwing music maker. Um, so we're using the Featherwing music maker to store an SD card and also route our music through a small mini mono amp to our speaker, and that's how we play our music. Right now it's amplified a few decibels, but that's why you can hear like certain sounds. Beyond that, the underneath we have 5 analog pins and 1 digital pin. So the 5 analog pins use actually, is it 6 analog pins? Six analog pins use 6 resistors, and then our digital pin, in order to convert it into being, I guess, kind of an analog, is like using a capacitor, and the capacitor helps us like measure the actual like force of uh, the force sensor. Um, what else do we have? So our lights are connected via a digital pin through our Arduino, and then we're using external batteries to feed it 5 volts.
Battery.
Yeah, we're using a potentiometer to, I guess, like voltage divide our 6 volts into 5 volts, and we're using a shift register in order for our NeoPixels to work. The intention is that whenever we press our buttons, sound and the lights would play. Uh, in terms of the actual code, we have well, the most complicated part about our code is really just like using markers to indicate like sequences of when we press a force sensor. So whenever you press a force sensor, you have to indicate like how long you're pressing it, so you don't want to like spam playing the noise over and over again. Otherwise, like you probably like wouldn't be able to like spam it how you are now. Um, yeah, the markers are useful for doing that, and then we also have a small function that also calculates with the I guess like the resistance from the source sensor is by using a capacitor. That's only necessary if we're using a digital pin instead of analog pins. Um, what else are we using? Anything else to add? I don't think I missed anything. Yeah.